Hey there guys, let's make some beef and potato stew. Very easy recipe. So get your potatoes. Let's get this recipe started. So you need some potatoes. It's according to the number of people you have. Or yeah, so you peel your Irish potato properly, then you cut it. Okay, so you get your pan, add in a bit of oil. Now I usually do this when I don't want my Irish to get mashed in the stew, so I just like give it a quick dip in the oil just to get it a bit browning. It doesn't have to be ready. We just have to you give it like 5 minutes. You turn it and then you cook it like both sides. By doing this, it's not going to get mashed in the beef stew. Usually it gets mashed and then you have like a mash of beef stew and potatoes. So yes, you just do a quick fry like that. You get it out, put it aside, then you reduce the oil in your pan and you get started on our beef stew. So yes, reduce your oil and then you add in your beef. Now we just need it to boil, so please put it on high heat. We get the browning. As our beef browns, you cut your ingredients. I'm using white onion here because it has like the best flavors. If you can use white onion, it's okay. If you have the red ones, it's still also okay. Now you get it, you cut it nicely and put it aside. Then you also grate like 2 garlic cloves and 1 ginger and half ginger. So it's according to how hot you want your food to be. So yes, you're going to turn this beef the other side. It browns. Please make sure that as soon as you see the browning, you add in your onions and your ingredients, because you don't want it to stay on heat for long. It will brown and then start drying out. Now you want to avoid your beef. You don't want it to dry out, because if it dries out, it's going to be a bit chewy. So you add in your garlic, your onions, your garlic cloves, and your garlic and ginger, and then you add tomatoes. You add in a bit of salt so that it softens the tomatoes. I used a teaspoon of paprika, cumin, and turmeric. I also added in a tablespoon of soy sauce to bring off that beautiful flavor for the soy sauce. So you add in a bit. I used a teaspoon of royco. If you don't have royco, please feel free to leave that out. Now you add in water and you cover and cook on low heat so that your beef gets soft and tender. Now as your beef is cooking, please feel free to use this time to cut in your green pepper and your cornmeal. Now I usually bring these last because they bring up aroma really fast. So if you add them in the beginning, by the time you're done with cooking, you'll not feel their aroma. That's why I add them in last. So as you can see, our beef cooked up very nicely, and it also reduced the sauce. So you add in your Irish at this point, as you can see. Now you're also going to add in some water. I skipped the part where I was adding water, but you add in a bit of water or stock. Stock is better if you have stock. I really didn't have stock, so I just added in a bit of water at this point. Now when you do that, Please let it cook for at least 15 minutes. Your Irish will be ready. Yes, at this point, this is where you add in your green pepper. I also added in a bit of white onion there because I really love the flavor it gives. Some carrots because I want my carrots to have a bite to them and not just too soft. So I also added in 2 royco cubes. You can use stock cubes if you have them, please. So I used 2 stock cubes. You do this and then you cover. Sorry, you also add in some cornmeal. You cover this and give it another 3 minutes to cook on low heat so that your last ingredients get to blend with the food. Now this guys, this is so delicious. It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Ciao.